you can see you need to sign up with your company. So I have a company by the name of Conator. So I'll just grab my email, making sure like uh, you have a legit email, because you will get a verification as well. So you need to make sure like you can actually uh, verify that email as well. So I'll just go there. So you need to sign up. If you don't have an account, you can come here and register, or you can continue with your LinkedIn or with your Google as well. In that case, you might not need to like verify your email, and then you can go for the job. Now let's try sign in. When you're gonna sign in, you will see there are gonna be like different options on your company dashboard. It will require a bit of information if you're signing up for the first time uh, regarding your company, regarding some information like what your company does and each and everything. So if I see here, I can go to company settings. There are different things, related to my company, each and everything you can mention here. So what I'm gonna do is like, I'm just for the sake of, you can say, I'm gonna upload a logo here. So that's like your company account. You need to provide this information like your company website, your company size, industries, and like email address and all these things. Once you are done with it, then you can go back to your dashboard. And here, if you go on the jobs, so you can see the multiple jobs that you have created, and now you can create another new job, which is not a big deal, to be honest. So you can just simply go there and make another job by clicking on create a new job, and then here you can use AI to just simply you know create the job description. So I need to hire a social media media marketing manager with with growth marketing experience. So this is something I really want to do, uh like make job description very easier for me. So it's very easy, like you just use AI and it will automatically make the job description for you. So here we go, a social media manager, uh, social media marketing manager will be enough. And here, that's perfect. Now obviously it can be part-time or full-time. I'm okay with that. It can be a mid-level job, it can be a hybrid job. So yeah, we are okay with that. All these things seems pretty good. Country USA, California, San Francisco, makes sense. I can lower it down, like I think 1 year of experience will work. Bachelor's degree or equivalent is very required, so we can also mention our student. In terms of required skills, so there are like different kind of tools they need to like HubSpot. They need to know about Meta. They need to know about different kind of Google ads. So you can add like information you really want to put it out there. And then in the application form, it's a standard form, but like you can make custom form and uh, you know get more detail about the clients as well if you want. So here's the feature, like I want to have an interview. So it's about sales and marketing associate behavior. So this is something I think that is more suitable. This is not for me, so I'll put it out there and add it. And the salary expectation can be like $1,500, and that's like the limit. So after that, I will just simply set up a, you can say, deadline to apply. And I can increase that actually, and maximum number of applicants. So I'll be just taking like 20 applicants. And now I need to just like save it as a draft, and once it's saved, I can like publish the job. So now my job is like published, and if I go there, I can see that job out there as social media marketing engineer. Okay, yeah, social media marketing manager. So if I see and want to see like the public view of the job, I can do that. And here you can see like it's very easy. You can simply uh, like make a application submission here. uh, if you want to share this, you can share it with LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, whatever your platforms are, and you can either just copy paste the link. So I'm going to copy that link, and I'm going to now use the platform for the applicant side, which is very easy. I'll just come here to apply. Now I think you can apply as well. Like to apply on a job, it's very easy. You can do that, but just staying within the platform. So I'll trying to apply there. Yeah, so it's asking me to sign in. I have an account by this email, so you can either register here. If you register through using your email, you need to go and you need to sign in using your email that is actual, and then you need to verify. Once your account is verified, then you can like apply for the job. So here I just need to, and you need to go and by the Supan base name, you can find that email. Either it can go to your spam as well, so you need to check. So once it's done, like you can sign up and make sure like it's 100% perfect email that you're using. So once you're signed in, uh, you can use a resume that you think is suitable and apply for the job. So I have applied to this job. Now on the company end, what they're gonna do is like uh, they need to like see my CV, is it suitable or not. Uh, for the company perspective, they can just simply come there uh, and see the applicants, and as they have like received application through my CV, and like there's a application process, and on the resume review there's like a high match, because if you see like for your perspective as a company or HR person, you can actually see the evaluation of the CV as well, how good Talsense actually match your CV uh, with particular jobs. It easily giving away all the things that are required, and at the same time it's giving you very clear idea about the match. Should this person should go into the next section or not? I think yes. So what we're gonna do is like we're gonna move this candidate towards the next pipeline section, which is one interview that we created. So we're gonna move to interview, and it's gonna move there. So in that case, like the person gonna get an email, and AI will like set up an interview with them, and they can give it according to the time they are easy and possible, so they can schedule that as well. So what gonna happen is like that person who applied, they're gonna get these details about the job. So I already like have an account to which I applied, so I'm gonna just log in now. So in my applications, like applied to different jobs, here you can see like I have like a security key that I need to copy to give the interview, and it's going to be an interview call. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the interview, and here I need to provide the security key. I can't leave the screen because it's going to be a full screen interview, and if I try to leave the screen, it's going to make a lot of problems for me. uh, Here if you see like somehow the camera permission is denied, it's probably because I'm using it on obvious. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna uh, yes, delete this video for now. Yeah, Now I'm gonna try, because at the same time you can't use, I think, camera on two apps. Yeah, it's given me the permission. Now it's checking my network settings. After all these things are checked, like your computer capability, your monitor, your microphone, your camera access, it's going to give you the interview. So it's giving me some basic instruction like how should the interview go and all. So I'll start interview. So I'm ready for the interview, and it's gonna take some time, because in terms of the screen, it will be a full screen interview. Hello, I'm ready for the interview. Can you please speak up?
Hello. Welcome to your interview. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. What about you? How's everything going on?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. To start, can you tell me a bit about why you're interested in this position as a social media marketing manager here?
Yes, sure. I am pretty much excited about the growth marketing perspective, and as electrical engineer and as someone who's coming from a software perspective as a background, I love the world of visuals and creating campaigns that can make really good impact on digital platforms growth, and the usability that I can increase using my marketing campaigns. So that's one of the particular reasons. That's a very good combination of my passion and my skills, so that's why I came to this job.
That's interesting. You mentioned your background in electrical engineering and software. How do you see those skills translating well into a role as a social media marketing manager, where you'll be focused on creative campaigns and marketing strategy?
Yeah, sure. It will be more about using the right knowledge of technical things, like how you can understand the technical products, their user journey, and the real value they are adding, and then try to translate those values into marketing campaigns that can actually hook the real users who are facing those problems that we are solving. So all this technical knowledge and all this information gives you really good ability to craft the campaigns in a way that can really make a good impact and bring good results. And you can also use like technical softwares in a more better way in terms of data evaluation analytics to evaluate your campaigns and optimize those.
That's a great perspective. Can you tell me about a time when you had to overcome a significant obstacle or rejection to achieve a goal? How did you handle that?
uh, I, they were To be honest, there were no obstacles so far in my life related to these things, so I would like to skip that question.
I see. In a role as a social
So
media marketing manager,
so you see, like,
you'll
this
likely need
is
to
a very
create
real time
compelling
interview,
content.
and
Can
I'm
you
talking to
describe a
that person,
time
and
when
he's
you
like
created a
in real time.
particularly effective social media campaign and what the results were? I understand your question. My question was intended to explore your approach to challenges.
So I just completed the interview. It was a very real-time interview, and I can now return to the dashboard. On the company perspective, the person who just, like, you know took my interview, it was an AI bot. There has nothing at that stage. So the interview is submitted to that person. AI did all the analytics on the video interview, like how I performed and each and everything. So you can see, like, the candidate demonstrated enthusiasm and suggestion network. So you can provide, like, these is the interview. Here is our, you can see, like, these are the analytics, and here is the video analysis. uh, it will take a while to be uploaded, and here you can see the details and notes. So that's pretty much it. And now in the pipeline you can see, like, how the job is performing. You can also see analytics as well on your company perspective. uh, like, there were like 6 active jobs, total applicants were 21, average candidate quality is like this. So you can see how your HR is performing. um, so here are all the jobs that are published or closed. So you can see all the details. um, in the job as well, you can see the whole pipeline that I created. So I can either move that candidate towards the next round, like I can finalize or send them in a, we can say, a job offer, or rather